Would you like to start your summer by jumping into a beach drawing? Welcome to Kiddy can Draw, where we make drawing fun and easy. Let's learn how to draw a summer island beach scene. First, draw a wavy line at the bottom. Then draw another one on top to make the sea. For the beach chair, draw an oblong shape with a circle at each end. Then draw another two, one longer than the other, and make them overlapping to make the chair's legs. Draw a horizontal line coming out from one of the legs. Then draw a half circle under it, connecting it to the other leg. Draw another horizontal line coming out from the top, then a curved line connecting it to the bottom part. Draw another curved line at the back of the chair. Draw more of the oblong shape to make the other legs of the chair. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Decorate the chair with some curved stripes. Draw two lines coming out of the chair and going up. Draw a curved zigzag line at the top. Then draw a half circle on top of it to finish the umbrella. Draw a cup next to the chair with an incomplete circle at the top, leaving small space for the straw. Draw the straw and the top of the juice inside. To draw sunglasses next to the juice, draw two circles inside one another. Draw two curves coming out from the side. Then draw another two circles, the same as before. Then draw the arms of the glasses, one on each side. Draw a half circle to make the island. Make it partially hidden behind everything on the island. Draw two curved lines coming out from the left side of the island and going up to start making the palm tree. Make a curved V shape on each side for the leaves. Then draw another two above them, one on each side. Then draw another two on top. Decorate each leaf with 2 lines inside. With all the lines meeting in the center. Draw a circle over the umbrella for the sun. Decorate the palm tree with some curved stripes along its length. Let's take a dive! Now you can draw a relaxing summer island beach scene. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some part of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your color. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.